Yogasth. In the series of psychic attack, I would like to tell you one thing more. People these days are really very confused about spirituality, kundalini, awakening of chakras, attaining samadhi, removal of all negativity, having access to their past lives, and whatnot. But actually, as I understand it, spirituality is all about having a clear understanding of the things as they are. And of course, taking action and working in some uplifted awareness, a pure awareness, I would say. These days, I have encountered so many people here in Rishikesh as well. I would definitely discuss a case. And I see so many people on social media, especially YouTube and some such channels, that you can awaken your kundalini in 7 days, 3 days. You can awaken your chakras, balance your chakras, and you can attain whatever you feel like in this very lifetime. Maybe this may be definitely be done also. But do you know the one thing? That if the teacher, the guru, the preceptor, the mentor, your guide is not capable enough or competent enough to handle such energies like kundalini or activating or awakening chakras, what would happen? If anyhow you balance or awaken your chakra in 3 days, 7 days, 20 days, what's the use? What is the ultimate use? What are you going to gain out of it? And if somebody is playing, you don't know whether he is a quack, inexperienced, fake, or an authentic and real teacher. You don't know. If you know, it's okay. What would happen? Even the so-called chakras, the 7 chakras of kundalini, though there are thousands of chakras in our body, and their main work is to supply prana to each and every organ, and at the same time definitely convey the message of consciousness which is there in each and every chakra. They are the sub-houses of electricity or the prana and consciousness, I would say. If somebody is playing with them, some mantra is given, some visualization is taught, something is said to focus upon your different centers in your frontal body or in your spinal body. You know what can happen? You must know that. Suppose you play with your computer, your laptop, and you keep on downloading files. There are many files, say Akashic record, or some other file, or some other website, or something. Sometimes it is said that the virus can come in, and it can just ruin all your laptop, your other files, your data, and so many things. And you can just ruin your whole laptop or computer. The same can happen with your spiritual life, with your personal life, with your kundalini life, with your chakras and your consciousness. If somebody is playing like that, Do you ever ask your teacher or your guru what is meant by balancing chakra? Do you ever ask your teacher or guru how he or she can awaken your chakra in 3 days, 7 days, 20 days? What is meant by awakening as such? And if it is done in 7 days, 3 days, 20 days, what is thereafter? Where will you go? What would happen to your life? You again live in the same depressive and even a normal life. What is the transformation that comes in your personality? If somebody opens your so-called chakras, activates them, balances them, I don't know what is the measure or method by which they balance. Some other entity, some virus, some negative element can enter into your chakras and create more hurdles, create more havoc in your life. Do you know this? So I warn you, beware of such teachers and guides and gurus. And why are you running after balancing and awakening your chakras? Why? Ask yourself, what is the real purpose? And what will happen if you keep on living in the same mire, if you keep on living in the same depressive state, if you keep on living the same normal or subnormal life? So what's the use? Is spirituality or kundalini jagran or chakra awakening is a fashion? Is it in vogue? Yeah, I think so. If you don't go to a school where the kundalini is awakened, you may be ostracized from society. You have to maintain your spiritual status in society, in your friends, in your group. What are you doing? Psychic attack. Psychic attack happens from inside, internally, and externally as well. You can give psychic attack to yourself, and you can definitely invite and attract psychic attack from others. So please don't play with these things like kundalini and chakras as such. There must be followed a proper discipline. There are some guidelines. There is your personality different. There are different sanskaras and karmas that you have come over here. There are so many other things that you carry with yourself. And that subtle body must be handled properly under the very proper and expert guidance of a guru or teacher. Otherwise, you are more likely to another kind of psychic attack if you play with your chakras like this. So please take care. This again can definitely give you a great psychic attack if you play with your kundalini and chakras as such. Hari Om Tat. Yogasth Bhav. And really Yogasth Bhav. That is what I teach. First become Yogasth and then Kuru Karmani. Tell you in the next video what is being Yogasth. My mantra, do you know? Pay attention to this. Yogasth Kuru Karmani, Dharmasth Kuru Karmani, Atmasth Kuru Karmani. We are here to work. We are here to take action. We cannot be without work, without action, even for a moment. And your every action, your every act makes you a different person. Yogasth.